Hi everyone. I'm doing a project I've never seen done on video in the history of my life. This is taking a coffin to the cemetery. I have 2 Harbor Freight chocks behind the casket. I have 2 tie-down straps up under the Harbor Freight flat rollers. Those are flat dollies up under here. We have another flat dolly system right here. Okay, they're tied down with these tie downs from Lowe's. They cost $30 for 2. Okay, here we have them right here. They're called Nite Ize. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. We're using a rope from Lowe's. I've tied it right here to the center bolt and to the side handles. It's tied in and it goes over here to a come-along. The come-along is pulling the casket into the Toyota Sienna van. Okay, here we have a 2x4 right here in front in the cabin. Okay, the 2x4 is supported by the pillars here. So it's not going anywhere, and we're protecting the car with these rubber pads from Costco. Okay, so we got the come-along tied to the 2x4, and it's pulling the casket into the Toyota Sienna easily. I'm not having any problems, okay? So here we have it hooked up right here. So there you have it, easy to do. You're gonna take this 3/4 inch plywood and put it on top of the casket so that you'll have the ramp to bring it out at the cemetery. So be sure that you have 3/4 inch plywood right here to put on the back of your bumper and have these rubber pads to keep from scarring up your van. Now, you're gonna have to line the casket with this board. It's shifting over to the right a little bit, no problem. Just go on the other side and realign it. See, it has shifted a little bit, but all I have to do is take these handles and pull it over. No problem. Take care, YouTube. This is a new one for me. I haven't seen anybody do a video like this. Trying to help people save money. I'm saving about $10,000 with this system right here. Thank you to YouTube for watching. Have a good day. And I'm signing off right now. Take care. Goodbye.